My students, how are you? Grade 6. Today we'll solve model number 8 from الدقهلية government. Model number 8, first term in this year 2026. Okay. First question, choose the correct answer. If the power is 5 and the base is 4, the exponential image is we have 5 in the base or 4 in the base and power 5. The result will be 4 power 5. 4 power 5. 4 lies in the base and 5 in the power. We called it the exponential image, 4 power 5. Next question. If x greater than 4, then the number space not falling into the solution. We have 5 greater than 4 greater than and 6 greater than 7 greater than but 3 less than. Choose letter D. Okay, the answer here will be letter D because 3 not falling into the solution set. Solution set starts from 5, 5, 6, 7 to infinity. Then the solution will be letter D. Next question. 331 plus what equal divided by 3? What is the number divisible by 3? We know the sum of all digits is multiples of 3. Then the number can divide it by 3. 331. Look at 8, 3. Plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 7, we can add 7 plus 2 equal 9. Then 9 can divide it by 3. Then we must add 2. The result will be 2. Understood? 331 can't divide it by 3. So we must add 2. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2 equal 9. If we add 7 plus 2, the result will be 9, and 9 can divide it by 3. Then we must add 2. Understood this example or not? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 can be divided by 3. Then we must add 2. Just after 7, 8, 9. We must add 2 to get the summation of all digits, multiples of 3. Then the result will be letter D. Next question. Find the value of the exponential or the expression. Find the value of the expression. We have here 4 plus 5 power 2 subtract by 20. First step, we can find the answer by the power here. Exponential form, 5 power 2, 25 subtract by 20. And then write 4 plus 25 minus 20 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then the answer here will be 9. Next question. Choose the correct answer. This common factor of 5 and 10, it will be 5. 10 and 5 can divide it by 5. Then the head common factor between two numbers equal 5. Okay, the answer here will be letter A. Next question. The number of figures lies between 2 and negative 2. We have negative 1, 0, and 1. This number lies between 2 and the negative 2. Then we have 3 numbers. He asked here about count the numbers. Number of integers, how many? 1, 2, 3. Then the answer will be 3 numbers. Understood? You must count the numbers. The number of integer numbers between 2 and negative 2, it will be 3 numbers. Understood? Don't choose number less between 2 and negative 2. No, he asked about the number of integers numbers between 2 and negative 2. How many digits? How many numbers between 2 and negative 2? We have 3 numbers. I choose letter C. 9 product by 2 plus 3 equal space plus 27. We use distributive properties. 9 times 2 equal 18. 9 times 3 equal 27. Then we must write 18 here in the space. Use distributive properties. Next question. Draw the line box plot the following the table. First step, we can arrange the numbers first from ascending. Okay, start from 1, 2, and 2. We have 2 repeated 2 times. 3. We have into 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we can find the number lies in the middle 1 digit because the count odd numbers. This group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The 7 lies in the middle. 7 is the quartile. Okay, is the median. 7 is the median. The median equals 7. And 2 is quartile 1. Quartile 1 is 2. Quartile 1 is 2. Record it, the lower quartile. And 13, quartile 3. Okay, lower quartile and upper quartile. Quartile 3 equals 13 and 1 minimum and 16 maximum. We have 1 minimum and 16 maximum. Now we will draw number line from 1 to 16 and draw the box bullet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Start from 1 to 16. And here 2. And here 13. About quartile 3. You can draw like this. And the median was 7. It's box split, okay? Understood? You know the minimum 1 and the maximum 16. You can write the information here in the table, okay? Write the information in this table. Question. Choose the correct answer. The additive inverse of 3, it will be -3. And the additive inverse of 0, it will be the same 0 because 0 non-positive and non-negative. Then -3 less than 0. Okay. Next question. Complete with me. Question number 2. The greatest common factor of two relatively prime numbers is 1. Like 5 and 3. We call them relatively prime numbers. Can divide by 1. Any number we call it prime if this number divided by 1 and itself only has 2 factors. Then the greatest common factor between two relatively prime numbers is 1. Okay, choose letter. If we have 5 and 7, two numbers here, 5 and 7, we called it relatively prime numbers because 5 and 7, the height common factor between them equal 1. Okay, but if we asked about the least common multiplication of two relatively prime numbers, it will be their product. Okay, in this example, he asked about the greatest common factor between two relatively prime numbers, it will be 1. Next question. The mathematical exponents here 5x plus 3y plus 6, we call it expression. This expression contains of terms. Each term has signs of like x, y, z, and 5x plus 3y plus 6, we call that expression. Next question. Arrange in ascending order. We can arrange this number from least to greatest, like it here. Arrange from least to greatest. -3 and 2/3, smallest number. And the next number, -2.5. Okay, come from left hand side to right hand side. And then more than here, 1/4. 1/4 is more than. And then 3.8. This order here ascending from smallest to greatest. Next question. Next question number 4. Find the value of this expression when x equals 3. Put the value of x equals 3 in this expression. Start from left hand side. X power 2, put x equals 3, then 3 power 2 plus 12 divided by 6, subtract by 3 times 2. 3 power 2 first, exponent first. We have in parentheses, then exponent first. 3 power 2 is 9. And then division and multiplication. First come, first serve. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Subtracted by 3 times 2 is 6. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 6, it will be 5. Next question. solve the equation, we can solve this equation by dividing by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x equal 3, then we must divide it by 3. The value of x equals 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then x will be equal to. Next question. Find the greatest common factor or least multiplication of 10 and 30. We know 10 equal to multiplied by 5. And 30 equal 2 times 5 times 3. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 3 equals 30. Then the least common multiplication between together it will be what? It will be 30. And the highest common factor it will be 10. Because 30 can divide it by 10. Okay, understood? You can draw it like this. Venn diagram and write 2 in the middle, 2 and 5 in the middle. The first number 10 and second number was 30. Like this. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 3 equals 30. Then the greatest common factor it will be 2 times 5, 10. And least common multiplication it will be 30. 3 times 5 times 2. Understood? Next question. Complete the following table according to the equation. Put here example y equal to x plus 1. First, put the value of x equals 0. Look at here. At x equals 0, 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equal 1. Okay, then we can complete here this table. Look at here, we have x and the image y. At x equals 0, but 0 times 2, 0 plus 1 equal 1. With the value of x 4, 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. With 8, 2 times 8, 16, 16 plus 1 equals 17. 10 times 2, 20, 20 plus 1 equals 21. Then we have here 10. The image will be 21. Okay, and the next, put the value. X equals 13. 2 times 13, 26 plus 1 equals 27.